Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an e-bike tire. First, gather your essential tools: tire levers, a pump, and your new tube or tire. If your e-bike has a hub motor, carefully disconnect its cable. Next, loosen the axle nuts on your wheel. Once loose, you can gently remove the wheel from your bike's frame, setting it aside for the next steps. Now, let's get that old tire off. Begin by completely deflating the tire. Just press the valve stem until all the air is out. Take your tire levers and carefully pry one bead of the tire away from the rim. Work your way around the entire rim, using a second lever if needed, until one side of the tire is fully detached. This makes removing the tube much easier. With the old tire and tube removed, it's time for the new ones. Slightly inflate your new inner tube, just enough to give it shape, then carefully insert it into the tire. Next, place one bead of the new tire onto the rim, starting opposite the valve stem. Work your way around, then carefully ease the second tire bead onto the rim, using your levers if necessary, being careful not to pinch the tube. Almost done, inflate your new tire to the recommended pressure, usually found on the tire's sidewall, and check that it's seated correctly on the rim. Now, reinstall the wheel onto your e-bike frame, making sure the axle nuts are tightened securely. Finally, if you disconnected a motor cable, reconnect it, ensuring it's properly seated and secured. You're ready to ride.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.